Hello students, welcome to NCRT class 8 Geography, Chapter 5 Human Resources. In this session we are going to discuss about theory and questions and answers. Introduction. Human resources refer to the individuals or workforce within an organization, institution or society who contribute their skills, knowledge and labor to the achievement of goals and objectives. Human resources encompass the entire range of human capabilities and talents employed for various functions, including but not limited to work, management, and innovation. Distribution of population. So, population distribution refers to the way people are spread across the Earth's surface. Over 90% of global population resides in approximately 30% of the land area. The distribution is highly uneven, with crowded regions in South and Southeast Asia, Europe, and Northeastern North America. Sparse populations are found in high latitudes, tropical deserts, high mountains, and equatorial forests. The majority live north of the equator, and Asia and Africa house almost three quarters of the world's population. 10 countries, each with over 10 million people, accommodate 60% of the global population. Density of population. Population density measures the number of people in a specific unit area, usually per square kilometer. The global average population density is 51 persons per square kilometer. South Central Asia has the highest population density, followed by East and Southeast Asia. Factors affecting distribution of population. First one is topography. Plains are preferred over mountains and plateaus for living due to suitability for farming, manufacturing, and services. Ganga plains are the world's most densely populated areas. Mountains like Andes, Alps, and Himalayas are sparsely populated. Climate. Extreme climates, whether very hot like Sahara Desert or very cold like polar regions, are generally avoided. Now soil. Fertile soils such as in Ganga and Brahmaputra plains, Huanghe, Zhangjiang in China, and Nile in Egypt attract dense populations due to agriculture. Water. Areas with easy access to fresh water, particularly river valleys, are densely populated. Deserts tend to have sparse populations. Minerals. Regions with mineral deposits like the diamond mines in South Africa and oil discoveries in Middle East attract higher populations. Social, cultural and economic factors. First one is social. Regions with superior housing, education and healthcare facilities tend to be more densely populated, such as Pune. Next one is cultural. Areas with religious and cultural significance like Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City attract populations. Economic. Industrial zones offering employment opportunities draw large populations. Examples include Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India. Population change. It refers to variations in the number of people over a specific period. Historical growth. Until 1800s, the world's population increased slowly due to high birth and death rates, limited healthcare and insufficient food. Population explosion. In 1959, the world reached 3 billion and by 1999 it doubled to 6 billion, termed as population explosion. Factors for growth. Improved food supplies and medicine reduced deaths, while birth rates remained high, contributing to population growth. Births, deaths, and migration. Births and deaths are natural factors influencing population. Migration, the movement of people, also plays a role. Natural growth rate. The difference between birth and death rates in a country. Global pollution increase. The rapid increase is primarily due to a high natural growth rate. Migration impact. Migration contributes to population changes. Immigrants leave and immigrants arrive. International migrations. Trend is often from less developed nations to more developed ones seeking better opportunities. Urbanization. People move from rural to urban areas within countries for employment, education, and healthcare. Patterns of population change. Global population growth. So, worldwide population growth rates differ. High growth countries experience high growth due to historically high birth and death rates. Improved healthcare lowers death rates, but high birth rates maintain growth. Low growth countries, for example, United Kingdom, this witness slowing growth due to both low death and low birth rates. Now, factors influencing growth rates. Healthcare improvements impact death rates while birth rates contribute to growth variations globally. Population composition. Population density and development. Economic development isn't tied to population density. For example, Japan and Bangladesh are densely populated, but Japan is economically developed. People as a resource. Diverse characteristics like age, sex, literacy, health, occupation, and income. Population composition reveals structure like gender, age, education, occupation, income, and health. Population pyramid analysis. It visualizes age groups, gender percentage, birth, and death rates. It reflects dependency ratio and workforce composition. Significance of population pyramids. It has broad base, narrow top, high birth and death rates. Broad base, gradual narrowing, decreasing death rates, more surviving infants. Narrow base, low birth rates, increased life expectancy. For example, in Japan. Role of young population. So they are skilled, optimistic youth who contribute to a nation's future. Education and opportunities empower them for productivity. India is fortunate to possess such a resource. Let's go through NCRT Class 8 Geography, Chapter 5, Questions and Answers. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Why are people considered as a resource? People are considered as a resource because of their inherent qualities such as skills, knowledge, and creativity, which contribute to economic and social development. A skilled and healthy population enhances productivity, innovation, and the overall well-being of a nation, making human capital a crucial asset for sustainable growth and progress. What are the causes for uneven distribution of population in the world? Geographical factors. Topography influences settlement patterns, favoring plains over mountains. The second one is climate. Extreme climates like deserts or polar regions deter settlement. Soil. Fertile soil attract populations for agriculture. Water. Regions with easy access to fresh water are preferred. Minerals. Area with mineral deposits tend to be more populated. The world population has grown very rapidly. Why? Until 1800, the world's population grew slowly. High birth and death rates. Early human history saw high birth and death rates, limiting population growth. Improved health and food supply. Advances in healthcare and increased food production reduces death rates. Now population explosion. The 20th century witnessed a rapid increase termed a population explosion. Discuss the role of any two factors influencing population change. Healthcare advancements. Improved healthcare reduces death rates, contributing to population growth. Better medical facilities and disease control prolong life, impacting demographic patterns. Now, economic opportunities. Regions with job prospects attract migration, affecting population size. Economic growth creates opportunities, influencing birth rates and overall demographic trends. What is meant by population composition? It refers to the structure of a population in terms of age, sex, education, occupation, income, and health. The key components are age groups, distribution across various age brackets, gender distribution, percentage of males and females, educational levels, insights into literacy and education, occupational structure, overview of employment patterns, income distribution, economic disparities within the population, health conditions, assessment of overall health status. What are population pyramids? How do they help in understanding about the population of a country? These are graphical representations displaying a population's age and gender distribution. Now, age distribution, it reveals birth and death rates. Dependence ratio, it identifies economic dependence. Population trends, highlights demographic characteristics. Labor force assessment indicates the potential workforce. Population pyramids aid in comprehensive demographic analysis. Question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Which does the term population distribution refer to? So, the answer is C, the way in which people are spread across a given area. Which are three main factors that cause population change? The answer is B, births, deaths, and migration. In 1999, the world population reached, the answer is C, that is 6 billion. What is a population pyramid? The answer is a graphical presentation of age, sex, composition of a population. Question number 3. Complete the sentences below using some of the following words. When people are attracted to an area, it becomes densely populated. Factors that influence this include favorable climate, good supplies of natural resources, and fertile land. This completes NCRT class at Geography Chapter 5.